Imagine jetting off to Europe this summer with just a carry-on. Impossible? Absolutely not. In fact, it's the ideal way to travel, especially when you're heading to the charming cobblestone streets of Europe. Ah, can you just smell the croissants baking in Paris, hear the gondolas gliding through Venice's canals, or feel the sun on your face in Spain's Costa del Sol? Now, imagine all of that without the hassle of lugging around heavy suitcases or anxiously waiting at the baggage claim carousel. Sounds dreamy, right? Packing light is not just about convenience. It's an art, a science, and a little bit of magic all rolled into one. And the secret to this magic? It's all about being smart and strategic about what you pack. Because let's face it, you don't need to bring your entire closet with you. You just need the essentials, the versatile pieces, and the right mindset. So where to start? With a packing list, of course. It's the cornerstone of efficient travel. It ensures you don't forget anything crucial, from your passport to your favorite pair of sunglasses. It helps you stay organized and avoid overpacking. And trust me, there's a certain satisfaction in checking off items as they go into your bag. The key is to think of your packing list as your travel blueprint. It's the roadmap to a stress-free journey. And the best part? You can tailor it to your specific needs. Are you a fashionista who needs a different outfit for each day? Or perhaps you're an adventurer who just needs a few sturdy pieces. Whatever your style, your packing list is there to guide you. Remember, the goal here is to pack smart, not hard. And when you master this skill, your travels become more about the experience and less about the stuff you brought with you. With the right planning, you can have everything you need in a carry-on. Let's dive into how. Clothes can make or break your packing game. It's not about packing more, it's about packing smart. Imagine this. You're in the beautiful city of Rome, Italy. The sun is shining, the weather is perfect for sightseeing, and you're wearing the same outfit you've worn for the past 3 days. Doesn't sound too appealing, does it? But don't worry, we've got you covered. The magic word here is versatility. Versatile clothing items are like the Swiss Army knives of your wardrobe. They're your best friends when packing for a trip. What makes a piece of clothing versatile? It's simple. It's an item you can mix and match to create different outfits. Think of a classic white shirt or a pair of dark jeans. They can be dressed up, dressed down, and worn in all sorts of circumstances. Now let's talk about color schemes. A well-coordinated color scheme can help you maximize your outfit options while minimizing the number of items you need to pack. Stick to neutral colors like black, white, gray, or beige. They are easy to mix and match, and they never go out of style. If you're a fan of colors, pick 1 or 2 accent colors. Maybe you're into royal blue or love a pop of red. These can be incorporated through accessories or a couple of key pieces. The goal here is to maximize your outfit combinations with a minimal number of items. For instance, 3 tops and 3 bottoms that all coordinate can give you 9 different outfits. That's more than enough for a week-long trip. And let's not forget about layers. They can be a lifesaver, especially when the weather is unpredictable. A light cardigan or a thin pullover can be easily added or removed to adapt to changing temperatures. Remember, versatility is key. Now let's move on to packing these clothes efficiently. Now that you've chosen your clothes, it's time to pack them. But folding is so last year, we're all about rolling. This may seem unconventional, but hear me out. When you roll your clothes, you're performing a little packing magic. This technique not only saves space, but also keeps your clothes from getting all wrinkled during transit. Your clothes come out ready to wear. No iron required. But we're not stopping there. Let's talk about packing cubes. These little gems are a game changer for the organized traveler. They come in all shapes and sizes and are designed to fit perfectly into your carry-on. They compartmentalize your clothes, making it easy to find what you need without rummaging through your entire suitcase. Plus, they help you squeeze in a little extra by compressing your clothes. And just like that, your clothes are packed and organized, leaving plenty of room for other essentials. Shoes can take up a lot of space, and toiletries can become a nightmare if not handled correctly. But don't worry, we've got you covered. It's time to tackle these 2 tricky areas of packing. First up, shoes. Now, I know it's tempting to pack a pair for every possible occasion, but let's be honest, that's just not practical for a carry-on only trip. Instead, limit yourself to a few versatile pairs that can be worn with multiple outfits. Perhaps a pair of stylish yet comfortable sneakers that can transition from daytime exploring to a casual dinner out. And let's not forget about a pair of flip-flops or sandals for those beach days or hostel showers. Now, if you're planning on hitting up some fancy establishments or attending a special event, a pair of dress shoes might be necessary. But remember, the key is versatility. Choose a pair that's not only stylish, but also comfortable enough for those romantic moonlit walks along the Seine or dancing the night away in Barcelona. Next, let's talk toiletries. With TSA regulations to consider, this can be a bit of a puzzle. But have no fear, travel-sized products are here to save the day. Almost every product you can think of comes in a travel-sized version. Shampoo, conditioner, toothpaste, deodorant, you name it, there's a mini version of it. And don't forget the clear, quart-sized bag to store them all in. But what about the essentials that are often overlooked? Sunscreen is a must for those sunny European summers, and a reusable water bottle keeps you hydrated without adding to the plastic waste. And ladies, a compact makeup palette can replace multiple individual products. With shoes and toiletries taken care of, we're almost ready to jet off. Remember, packing smart doesn't mean sacrificing style or comfort. It's all about choosing versatile items that serve multiple purposes and making the most of the space you have. So, keep these tips in mind, and you'll be well on your way to a stress-free, carry-on-only summer trip to Europe. Before we finish, there's one last thing to pack: a lightweight and foldable day pack for those exciting day trips. This nifty little item can be a game changer. It's perfect for carrying your essentials, like your wallet, camera, guidebook, and sunscreen, while you're out exploring the vibrant cities and stunning landscapes of Europe. And the best part? When not in use, it tucks away neatly into your carry-on, taking up next to no space at all. Now let's take a quick trip down memory lane and revisit the packing tips we've discussed today. First up, remember the importance of a packing list. It's your safety net, ensuring you won't leave anything crucial behind. And it's also a great way to keep track of your items throughout your trip. And then we have the clothing strategy. Versatility is key. Choose items that you can mix and match to create a variety of outfits. Stick to a cohesive color scheme to make coordinating your outfits a breeze. And don't forget the magic of rolling your clothes. It saves space and keeps your clothes wrinkle-free. Packing cubes are another great tool to maximize space and keep your carry-on tidy. Think of them as your personal mini drawers, keeping similar items together and easy to find. We've also talked about limiting your shoes to a few versatile pairs and packing travel-sized toiletries. Shoes can take up a lot of space, so choose wisely. And remember, those TSA regulations are there for a reason. Stick to travel-sized toiletries to avoid any airport hassle. And finally, don't forget the essentials: sunscreen to protect your skin from the European summer sun, and a reusable water bottle to stay hydrated as you journey through Europe's historic streets and breathtaking countryside. And there you have it, your guide to packing light for a summer trip to Europe. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips.